Tom, you've already eaten 3 samples.
I'm conducting serious research, thank you.
Research into how much chocolate one person can eat?
Exactly. It's for science.
You're going to roll out of here like a truffle.
Then bury me in cocoa. What a way to go.
Look, they're making the chocolate bars live.
Wow. It's like watching magic, but tastier.
Don't drool on the glass, please.
No promises.
Did you know they sell a 1 kilo chocolate bar?
I need it for emergencies.
What kind of emergency needs a kilo of chocolate?
Heartbreak, Mondays, rainy days, you name it.
Well, buy one and share.
Share. I don't speak that word.
You're impossible.
I'm just chocolate powered.
Then let's fuel up at the tasting station.
Now you're talking. I'm conducting serious research, thank you. Exactly. It's for science. Then bury me in cocoa. What a way to go. Wow. It's like watching magic, but tastier. No promises. I need it for emergencies. Heartbreak, Mondays, rainy days, you name it. Share. I don't speak that word. I'm just chocolate powered. Now you're talking.
Tom, you've already eaten 3 samples. Research into how much chocolate one person can eat? You're going to roll out of here like a truffle. Look, they're making the chocolate bars live. Don't drool on the glass, please. Did you know they sell a 1 kilo chocolate bar? What kind of emergency needs a kilo of chocolate? Well, buy one and share. You're impossible. Then let's fuel up at the tasting station.